So this is the Alarm Tech 3 megapixel doorbell camera. We're going to open it up and see what the contents are of it. So the parts of the package, there is the doorbell itself. There is a weatherproof piece that goes on the back of the mounting plate. This helps keep moisture out from the back. It also keeps bugs out from entering the back of it as well. The unit comes with a standard flat plate for mounting. It has an up arrow which points the direction that you need to mount the plate. There's also an angle plate which can be used with the flat plate. Most people will use the angle plate because it does give you a little bit more room. It also gives you the ability to angle the camera towards the area that you're trying to cover. And they get used in unison if you're using them. There is a screw diagram that you can put onto the wall to mark the spots where you need to place your screws. There is a document which has the QR code on it for adding the camera. There's also a QR code that you can scan to bring up a manual for the camera for the installation. As for the little pieces, we have a power kit. It's accompanied by some leads that jump onto it. This is put where the doorbell chime comes out of. You have mounting screws as well as the plugs for the wall. So if you drill a hole and you need to plug it to insert your screws, they come in the package with different sizes. There's a security tool. This will take the doorbell off of the mounting plate if you've already mounted it and you need to access the screws on the back. There's a set of leads. These leads can be placed on the back of the doorbell and attached to the existing doorbell wires to make it easier to take on and off the unit. And lastly, this part isn't used very commonly if you have a doorbell chime. It's only used if you do not have a physical chime box that puts out the sound. This piece will go in line on one of the leads. There's no polarity on it, so it can go on either side, but it would go in the middle of the line coming up to the back of the doorbell